Hello students, welcome to Siddhapur Mathematics Academy. So in the today's class, I will give the weightage and expected questions from the chapter relations and functions. See, first we will see about the weightage of the marks. In the relations and functions, we have 11 marks. Total we have a weightage is 11 marks. In part A, we have for question number 1. The question number 1 in part A is from relations and functions for 1 mark. In part B, question number 11, that is for 2 marks. In part C, question number 25, that is for 3 marks. And in part D, question number 39 for 5 marks. That means each part starts with the question from relations and function. Total we have 11 marks. And this is a very simple and easiest chapter, so don't neglect this. Now I am giving you the expected questions from this chapter. First I will give the questions for 1 mark. 1 mark questions, expected 1 mark question. So write on the questions. First question, define an empty relation. Definition it is. Define an empty relation. Second question, examine whether the operation star z plus 2z plus defined by a star b is equal to modulus of a minus b, where z plus is the set of all positive integers. All positive integers is a binary operation or not? Is a binary operation or not? Moving to the next question, that is the third one. In part A, 1 mark expected questions. Third question, a relation R on A, that is 1, 2, 3, the set A is 1, 2, 3, defined by R is equal to 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 3 is not symmetric. Why? Is not symmetric. Why? Next, fourth one. Let star be a binary operation. Let star be a binary operation defined on the set of rational numbers Q, defined by, this is Q, defined by A star B is equal to AB plus 1. Prove that star is commutative. Moving to the next question, that is question number 5. Let star be a operation defined on the set of rational numbers by a star b is equal to ab upon 4, find the identity element. Find the identity element. Sixth question. Let star be the binary operation. Let star be the binary operation on n given by a star b is equal to LCM of a and b. Find 20 star 16. Moving to the next question, that is question number 7. These all are 1 mark questions. Question number 7. Find the identity element. Find the identity element for the binary operation. For the binary operation star defined on the set Q of rational numbers by a star b is equal to ab upon 4. Next, 8th one. Define bijective function. Bijective function. Bijective function is nothing but both 1 1 and onto. It is 1 1 and onto function. 9th one. The value r on the set A is equal to, set A is 1, 2, 3, is defined as r is equal to 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2, 2, 3 is not transitive. Why? Is not transitive. Why? Moving to the next question, that is the 10th one. Let star be the binary operation. Let star be the binary operation on n given by a star b is equal to LCM of a and b. For all a comma b belongs to n, find 5 star 7. 11th. Define binary operation. Define binary operation. Next, 12th. An operation star on Z plus the set of all non-negative integers is defined as A star B is equal to mod of A minus B for all A comma B belongs to Z plus. Is star a binary operation? Is star a binary operation on Z plus? On Z plus. Question number 13. An operation star on Z plus an operation star on Z plus the set of all non-negative integers is defined as A star B is equal to A minus B for all A comma B belongs to Z plus. Is star, there is mod here, it is without mod. Is star a binary operation on Z plus? On Z plus. Moving to the next question, 14th one. Define universal relation. Next, 15th one. Define equivalence relation. 16th. Define 1-1 function, that is injective function. Injective function. Moving to the next question, question number 17. Define onto function. Onto is nothing but surjective function. Surjective function. Next, question number 18. Give an example of relation which is symmetric only, or which is symmetric but not, which is symmetric but neither reflexive nor transitive. Moving to the next question, that is question number 19. One mark questions are very important because there is no choice for that. Give an example of relation which is reflexive only. Next, 20th. Give an example of relation which is reflexive symmetric and transitive. You have to write only the example, not the verification of that. Now for question number 2, that is question number in part B at question number 11, that question is for 2 mark. In part B at question number 11, the question is at for 2 mark. First question, let star be a binary operation. Star be a binary operation on Q defined by A star B is equal to AB upon 2 for all A comma B belongs to Q. Show that star is associative. Show that star is associative. Second question, on R, set of real numbers, star is defined by A star B is equal to A plus B by 2. Verify whether star is associative. Third question, show that the function f from n to n given by f of x is equal to 2x is 1 1 but not onto. Moving to the next question, that is the fourth one for 2 mark. Fourth question for 2 mark. Define binary operation. Define binary operation on the set. Verify whether the operation star defined on Q set of rational numbers A star B is equal to AB plus 1 for all A comma B belongs to Q is a binary operation. On Q. See, when you observed in 1 mark question, they asked, it contains 2 questions. In 1 mark, the 2 questions separate are define binary operation and another one separate question for 1 mark. Here they combined the 2 questions. Fifth one, let star be a binary operation. Star be a binary operation on Q defined by A star B is equal to AB upon 4 for all A comma B belongs to Q. Determine whether star is associative or not. Yes. Moving to the next question, that is question number 6. show that if f from A to B and g from B to C are onto, then g of f from A to C is also onto. Seventh question. If f is a function from R to R defined by f of x is equal to 1 plus x square, then show that f is neither 1 1 nor onto. Moving to the next question, eighth one. Show that the function f from n to n given by f of 1 is equal to f of 2 is equal to 1 and f of x is equal to x minus 1 for every x greater than 2 is onto but not 1 1. Moving to the next question, that is the ninth one. So not ninth one. Now I am moving to the part 3. In part C at question number 25. In part C at question number 25 for 3 mark. At part C for question number 25 for 3 mark. First question. Show that the relation R defined in the set A of all triangles as R is equal to T1, T2. T1 is similar to T2 is equivalence relation. Moving to the second question. Show that the relation R in the set of all integers Z defined by R is equal to A, B 2 divides A minus B is an equivalence relation. Third one. Determine whether the relation R in the set A is equal to 1, 2, 3 up to 14. All numbers are there from 1 to 14. defined as r is equal to x comma y such that 3x minus y is equal to 0 is reflexive, symmetric and transitive. Fourth question, show that the relation R in R set of real numbers is defined as R is equal to A comma B such that A is less than or equal to B, is reflexive and transitive, but not symmetric. Moving to the next question, that is the fifth question. Check whether the relation R fifth one, check whether the relation R defined on the set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 as R is equal to A comma B such that B is equal to A plus 1 is reflexive or symmetric. Moving to the next question, sixth one. Show that the relation R in the set A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 given by R is equal to A comma B such that mod of A minus B is an equivalence relation. Seventh one, check whether the relation R in R of real numbers defined by R is equal to A comma B such that A is less than or equal to B cube is reflexive, symmetric and transitive. Next, question number 8. Prove that the first write down as eighth one. Show that the relation R in A is equal to X such that X belongs to Z and it is in between 0 and 12 given by R is equal to A comma B such that mod A minus B is a multiple of 4 is an equivalence relation. Moving to the next question, that is the 9th one. See, in question number in part C, what you are observing, we are observing all the questions, expected questions are related with what? Equivalence relation. 9th one, prove that the relation R in the set of integers Z defined by R is equal to x comma y such that x minus y is an integer is an equivalence relation. Equivalence relation. 10th question. In the 10th one, let L be the set of all lines in a plane and R be the relation in L. Defined as R is equal to L1 comma L2 such that L1 is perpendicular to L2. Show that R is symmetric but neither reflexive nor transitive. So these are the expected questions in part C for 3 marks for question number 25. Now I am moving to the last part, that is in part D for question number 39. 5 mark expected questions. So in this year they deleted the portion, that's why they are combining the questions for part 5 for 5 marks. They are combining the question in part D for 5 marks. That's why I am giving only 2 questions here. In part D at question number 39 for 5 marks. The main concept they are deleted, that's why they are combining the questions here. Verify whether the function f from n to n defined by f of x is equal to x square is 1 onto and bijective. Like this they are giving very simple questions. Second question, check the injectivity and surjectivity. So have you got the meaning of this? Injectivity and surjectivity means on one and onto of the function f from R to R defined by f of x is equal to 3 minus 4x is it bijective? A bijective function. In the same way they can ask for the function f of x is equal to 1 plus x square also. They can ask the question for f of x is equal to 1 plus x square. See, these are the expected questions from the chapter relations and function, and the weightage of this chapter is 11 mark.